We are going to construct a median to side BN in this triangle PBN. So before we do that, I want to point out two things. They specify to side BN because there's actually three medians in every triangle. So they're telling us exactly what median they want us to draw. And a median goes from the vertex of a triangle to the midpoint of the opposite side. So we are actually going to find the midpoint of BN. So in order to do that, we're going to put our compass on point B. We are going to extend our compass so it goes more than halfway, and we're going to draw an arc. This is the perpendicular bisector construction, which we use very frequently in most constructions. Once we've done that, we're going to pick up our compass and we are going to place it so that our point is on point N. Now, I want to point out that we are not going to change the size of our compass. This is the same size. We're just drawing now so that it crosses in two places. So our compass never changed width. Now that I have my 2 points, I can draw a line connecting them. So I'm using my fancy computer tool. You would use a straight edge, connecting the two, and that's going to help me to find this point here, which is my midpoint. So let's put a giant point here for midpoint. Okay, so this is a beautiful construction of a perpendicular bisector to find the midpoint, but we are actually not done. So on a 2-point question, this would get us 1 point. Our final point is to identify the actual median, which again goes from the vertex of a triangle to the midpoint of the opposite side. So this purple line here, I'm going to highlight, is our median. Now, a lot of times, people confuse medians with altitude. So I just want to take a minute and show you the difference. The median goes from the vertex of a triangle to the midpoint of the opposite side, where an altitude is perpendicular to the opposite side. So this is just a visual to help you to remember what the difference between the two are. The median goes to the midpoint and the altitude goes straight down. So two different constructions, two things that are very easily confused.